Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be doing an update on the USACC build. I believe this is going to be update 1. I did the entry video and I've done a little work on the car since. We are building this orange version. I don't currently have my wireless microphone set up because that's out in the shed, and well, it's 21 degrees out this morning and it's clear and sunny and very cold, and I don't feel like going out there. So now it's got the weather report, we'll move on. So what I've done so far is I've added the scoop. That was pretty easy. I've cut out the fenders on the back here. Wasn't that hard at all. Gone ahead and started to scuff the body a little bit. I scuffed the hood. Took a little bit of the shine down on that so it'll hold the primer. We'll scribe these body lines because I believe this is supposed to be sort of something like a Pro Street. I'm not sure. And so we'll scribe out these body lines, make them just a little bit deeper, and then we'll get to painting it. Excuse me. Now we've built the engine. We started the Hemi. The idea for the engine is, obviously we're going to make the transmission aluminum looking. The block is going to be that bright yellow that you'll see me bring out later on. We're going to dechrome the cylinder heads right here. We're going to dechrome the rims. We're basically dechroming everything. We're going to dechrome the back bumper, the front bumper and grille, and that's all going to be that bright yellow. The car itself is going to be Dodge's classic, or Mopar's classic, Plum Crazy. That's so I can get that paint scheme that I spoke about of the 1995 Yamaha Banshee. I think that was one of the coolest looking four-wheelers in terms of the Banshee that they put out. Such a nice four-wheeler. Throwing stuff around. Then we're going to build the interior. The interior is probably going to be a combination of black and that bright yellow. Like, we're probably going to make the roll bar is going to definitely be that bright yellow. With black and yellow trim throughout. I think that's going to look good. Haven't even opened up the main package yet, but we're going to get that started. And I think this comes with 2 engines. So I think I'm probably going to rob that engine for another project. So I'll get the camera moved. I also apologize for the sound. Like I said, I'm not using my wireless mic. So we got the heater on. And one of the blowers is right there. So we'll move the camera. I'll dechrome the things that I want to dechrome, get that all clipped off. We'll show that. I've also been making shorts. So I'll probably show the dechroming process in a short version. I'm just kind of playing around with the channel because I'm an amateur, and that's where I'm at. I mean, I'm no professional in making videos, that's for sure. And so I'm just trying to figure out what people like and what works for me, and some combination thereof.